This is a gorgeous clear acrylic 3-tier storage container with 2 drawers and an optional dust cover. From office supplies to skincare and cosmetics, it holds so much stuff, even bottles up to about 8 inches high. I was sent this to review from Pomohome, so let me show you a closer look because I love it and I know you will too. Oh my gosh, look at the gold. Ah! This is so pretty. Ready to go. No installation. You just unwrap it, pop the top back on, and it's ready to go. I love this. Let's go use it. One thing that's so amazing about this is you can use it with the top, or you can remove this top and have it open like this. And you can also remove this bit and have it like that. I mean, like literally there's a lot of ways you can use this. I kind of love it like this in my office. Then I can have like stuff out like that. Can use the drawers, get my power bank in there, get my brush and chapstick and some other stuff in there. So pretty. Unfortunately, I don't have space on my vanity, but look where we do have space on the top of the toilet. I mean, that works. And everything is enclosed, so you don't have to worry. That totally works on top of the toilet, and it's so cute. I love it. And it matches my gold rimmed garbage down there. But this is where I'm gonna put it. It's really tall here, so that's amazing. You do have to keep in mind though that this does cut down. So you can have tall things at the very back, but not in the front. But something like that totally works. My comb, my headband, my retainers down there. Stand up stuff here, lay down makeup. This is fairly shallow here. This one's a little bigger, but still too small. This one will fit. Oh, I love it. I love it. So beautiful and practical. These do have stoppers, so you can't accidentally pull it out, but you can pull them out intentionally to easily clean. Plastic, but heavy duty, gorgeous. Then stick it back in there. You do have little rubber feet on the bottom to keep it from sliding and to protect your dresser or wherever you have it. Just really nicely made. So impressed. I love the look. I love the function. I love that it was no assembly. I love the flexibility of taking the top off or not. Oh, I just love it. Oh my gosh. I know you will too.